Hello all! Today we are discussing 3 homemade hair oils, help to grow our hair thicker and longer within short periods. Let's dive into our natural ingredients one by one. Curry leaves. Rich in antioxidants, beta-carotene, and amino acids, curry leaves stimulate hair follicles, strengthen roots, and prevent hair thinning. They also contain proteins that help moisturize the scalp and promote hair growth. Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are a rich source of proteins and nicotinic acid, which nourish the scalp, strengthen hair follicles, and promote faster hair growth. They also contain lecithin, which hydrates the hair and improves its elasticity. Amla, Indian gooseberry. Amla is loaded with vitamin C, antioxidants, and minerals that stimulate hair growth, reduce hair fall, and prevent premature graying. It strengthens hair follicles, improves scalp health, and promotes the production of collagen, which is essential for healthy hair growth. Now we're moving to the homemade hair oil recipes known for promoting black, long hair. Recipe 1. Curry leaves and coconut oil hair oil. This recipe that will nourish your locks from root to tip. Let's dive into the ingredients, preparation, and benefits of our curry leaves and coconut oil hair oil. First, let's talk about the ingredients. You'll need fresh curry leaves and coconut oil. These 2 ingredients are packed with nutrients that promote hair growth and overall hair health. To prepare the hair oil, start by heating coconut oil in a pan. Then add the fresh curry leaves to the oil. Allow the leaves to infuse into the oil over low heat, releasing their beneficial properties. Once the oil is infused with the goodness of curry leaves, strain it and transfer it to a clean bottle. Your homemade curry leaves and coconut oil hair oil is now ready for use. Now let's talk about the benefits. Curry leaves are rich in vitamins and minerals that stimulate hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth. Coconut oil deeply moisturizes and nourishes the hair, preventing dryness and breakage. Transform your hair naturally with our homemade curry leaves and coconut oil hair oil. Embrace the power of nature for nourished, radiant locks. 2. Nourish your hair, amla and almond oil hair oil recipe. This natural hair oil recipe that will leave your locks feeling strong and healthy. Join us as we explore the ingredients, preparation, and benefits of amla and almond oil hair oil. Let's start with the ingredients. You'll need fresh amla, also known as Indian gooseberry and almond oil. Amla is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, promoting hair growth and preventing premature graying. Almond oil nourishes and strengthens the hair, leaving it soft and shiny. To prepare the hair oil, crush the fresh amla into a paste and mix it thoroughly with almond oil. Allow the mixture to sit for a few hours to allow the amla's nutrients to infuse into the oil. Once infused, strain the mixture to remove any solid particles and transfer the oil to a clean bottle. Your homemade amla and almond oil hair oil is now ready for use. Now let's discuss the benefits of this hair oil. Amla strengthens the hair follicles, reducing hair fall and promoting healthy growth. Almond oil contains essential fatty acids and vitamins that nourish the scalp and repair damaged hair, resulting in softer, shinier locks. Transform your hair naturally with our homemade amla and almond oil hair oil. Embrace the power of these natural ingredients for strong, beautiful hair. Recipe 3. Fenugreek and olive oil hair oil recipe. Today we're excited to share with you a natural hair oil recipe that will leave your hair strong, shiny, and healthy. Let's discuss the ingredients, preparation, and benefits of fenugreek and olive oil hair oil. Let's start with the ingredients. You'll need fenugreek seeds and olive oil. Fenugreek seeds are rich in proteins and nicotinic acid, which strengthen the hair follicles and promote hair growth. Olive oil is packed with antioxidants and vitamin E, nourishing the hair and adding shine. To prepare the hair oil, soak the fenugreek seeds in olive oil for a few days to allow the seeds to release their nutrients into the oil. Once infused, strain the mixture to remove the fenugreek seeds and transfer the oil to a clean bottle. Your homemade fenugreek and olive oil hair oil is now ready for use. Now let's discuss the benefits of this hair oil. Fenugreek seeds strengthen the hair from the roots, preventing hair loss and promoting thicker, healthier hair growth. Olive oil moisturizes and nourishes the hair, reducing dryness and frizz while adding a natural shine. Transform your hair naturally with our homemade fenugreek and olive oil hair oil. Embrace the power of these natural ingredients for strong, beautiful hair. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural hair care tips and tricks. After applying these homemade hair oils with regular basis, you'll notice stronger, shinier hair with reduced breakage and split ends. The scalp feels nourished and hydrated, promoting faster hair growth. Over time, you'll experience thicker, longer locks that exude vitality and health, enhancing your overall confidence. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe more health and beauty tips videos.